Most people say that it's probably a good idea to clean your yoga mat about as frequently as you wash your sheets or your bathroom towels. So for some people that might be once a week, for other people it might be every other week, and for others it might be once a month. But what I was surprised to find was that washing your yoga mat is actually a different step than disinfecting your yoga mat. To wash your yoga mat, you want to take it into the shower with you or submerge it in a bathtub full of warm, soapy water. You want to use a gentle soap, something that doesn't have harsh scents or chemicals. And I really like to use Bronner's Pure Castile soap. So it's non-toxic, it's really gentle, it's safe for babies, and it's going to be safe for your skin, which is of course your biggest organ. You'll get the mat nice and wet and soapy in the shower or the bath. Wash it off completely, make sure that there's no more soap on it, and then hang it outside to dry. You don't want to hang it somewhere where it's humid and that bacterial growth can continue to accumulate. You want to get it good and dry on both sides before you roll it up and take it back to practice. But in between, it's really important to disinfect your yoga mat because, of course, dirt can accumulate over time, and that bacterial growth can lead to things like athlete's foot or other types of unwanted fungus. And this is easy to do from home. Even though you could go out and purchase a specific mat cleaning solution, at home you can just find an empty spray bottle and fill it with equal parts water and white wine vinegar. From there, add a couple of drops of pure essential tea tree oil. The vinegar and the tea tree oil both have antibacterial properties. Then you're gonna take that spray bottle and you're gonna spray the whole yoga mat, get it nice and wet, and you wanna do both sides, front and back. You wanna see that it's wet from the eyes. You wanna be able to see how wet it is because that's gonna help deteriorate or get rid of some of that unwanted bacteria. Then similarly, you want to hang it up somewhere outside where it can dry thoroughly on both sides. Recommend doing this after each of your practices if possible. Otherwise, probably once a week is enough. Unless you have a super sweaty power yoga practice, you want to make sure after those strong sweaty practices, you get it good and disinfected. Hope this helps, and if you have any special tips, be sure to share.